this is Motherwort, and the Latin is Leonurus Cardiaca, which means lion heart. And Motherwort means mother's herb, so it's a great herb for women. It's good for everybody, but it's a really great word. Mother's little helper. So right now, this is the time to harvest. You want to harvest her flowering tops, and that's usually right around the summer solstice. So this is the perfect time. And when you're harvesting, you just want to take only a third of the flowering tops from one plant, which includes the stem, the flowers, and all the leaves. And that's what you're going to tincture. It's real simple. Some people make tinctures with dried plant material, and that's fine, but I think the best is to get her while she's fresh and in the wild. So we've got our motherwort here that we just gathered, and we have lots of ants. We're letting them crawl out of the plants so they don't become part of the medicine. And we have a clean jar. You can use a jar of any size. And we've got some 100 proof vodka for extraction. Keep them covered with the Vikings. So my neighbors don't think I'm a lush, because I'm not. Okay, so we're gonna cut up the plant material with our scissors into little pieces. Now, her seeds are pretty sharp and they bite a little bit, so I like to try to fold the leaves up over them, but do expect to get poked a little bit. In general, I just work with what's growing around me. It's said that, the medicine you need is right outside your door. It's known for women's health. It helps regulate your menstrual cycle. It can bring on your period. It's great for PMS. It mitigates cramps over time. You just have a much easier cycle. But also, it's really good for anxiety and panic and worry in the moment. And now we're just gonna cover it with our 100 proof vodka. What I'll do tomorrow morning, I would check it and see if the vodka's gone down any bit and top it off again another time, just to make sure. And there you have it. Then you're gonna label that and date it with today's date. And then I let mine go for at least 6 weeks. I put it, on my apothecary shelf or like up in a cabinet. It's been 6 long weeks and we're all in need of motherwort now. So this motherwort's been sitting in 100 proof vodka on a dark shelf in my kitchen, my little apothecary. And so today we're decanting the medicine. So we're gonna strain out all the plant material, and then we'll just have the vodka with the medicinal properties of the motherwort has been extracted into that. So that's all we're doing. But you're gonna use a funnel and a strainer, and you just pour it in. Got all our plant material up there, you can see. And then I like to press it down, just get as much medicine out as you can. And then you've got your tincture right there in the jar. So you're just gonna put a lid on it, and that'll keep for a really, really long time. It's not gonna go bad. And then if you have a dropper bottle, you can put some more in there. You can fill that up. Now, even if you're really stressed out and really in need of your motherwort, don't take a drink from the bottle, because it is 100 proof vodka and it's really strong. It's like that though, it works quick. And then you're gonna wanna label that.